kwi-district kanye ne-support ephuma e-head office ukuthi sisondele ukuze sikwazi ukubona abantwana laba ababe-affected mayelana nalolu daba ukuthi bathole i-counselling nakho konke. And then MEC also ngoba uyasazi ka-education trust nama-resources amaningi laphakathi kwethu kukhona ama-colleagues ethu aphuma ka-DSD alidwa umama uNtombela oyi-manager ka-DSD la eNkandla esibambisene nawo kakhulu kulolu daba abagijime kanye nathi ukuthi bathi make sure ukuthi nama-families alabantwana bayayithola i-support ukuthi bakhanseleke nabo ngoba lolu daba lubucayi kakhulu kanye no-Department of Health. Angiboni ukuthi uba nokhona oyikolegi yethu kunababa from i-Department of Health ukuthi MEC ngocwaningo nangezempilo lokho kunye abantwana sebetholile ukuthi babhekelekele nalokho nokuthi bathole i-treatment efanelekile ukuthi kungabi sesimweni esibucayi. So-ke MEC mayelana nesikole as such, there are a lot of programs that we do as psychosocial, like uma kungabe se-mentionile ukuthi kube kwabakhona inkinga yama-drugs within esikoleni, so bekukhona i-advocacy campaign eyenziwe la esikoleni ukuthi sidile nalolo daba. But ngaphandle kwenkinga yama-drugs also abantwana bethu siyabafundisa ngokuziphatha. Khona uhlelo lethu silenzayo i-sexual reproductive health education, sifundisa othisha, sifundise nabantwana ngezigaba zokukhula ukuthi ezokukhula kwenzakalani emzimbeni, umzimba ushintsha kanjani, kufanele uziphathe kanjani ngalezo zigaba zokukhula. So ngiyathemba ukuthi abantwana bayazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi basheshe bareport uma lento embi benzakalela nokuthi yini ade kufanele ukuthi bayenze ukuthi bathi make sure ukuthi baphephile. So those are all the programs esiwenzayo. Into embi nje emisiyenzakalele ukuthi besinayo i-NSA la endaweni akade ikhona kwawukuthi ngenxa yokuphuthwa kwey'mali by United States. So lo NSA ade sinako isikole esikhule nje ungamzamisha ukuthi i-enrollment you-2,300 and something ukuthi u-NSA bese ukuthi amiswe-ke emsebenzini ngenxa yalokho. But njengamanje MEC siyazama kakhulu as a team e-head office ukuthi sithole noma o-NSA ababili abazobakhona la ngoba into encane ngo-NSA MEC zethu baphuma endaweni bayahamba bawazi ama-problems abantwana endaweni, bakwazi ukudila nabantwana endaweni. So siyathemba ukuthi maybe by uqala amajulu sizobe sesinalo NSA okhona ozokwazi ukuthi ahlangane nabantwana nomphakathi bathole iy'nkinga ezikhona emphakathini. But MEC ngenkathi emva kwesehlo sesisehlakele mathi bebefika ithinyana sinezathu ukuthi abantwana nje kubaphuduma kude shilo ukuthi abasekho esikoleni, so besingakakutholi ithuba lokwenza u-direct counselling kanye nama-victims. So nje kubaphuduma kude shilo ukuthi bazobuya abantwana, then by Monday sizobe sila futhi MEC ukuthi bathole le-direct counselling from i-SNES team kanye nama-families abo as well. And then as uma ngizamaseke ukuthi ubaba usezohlala la i-team yami kanye no-DSD ukuthi isimo size sehle sibe sendaweni siphindele esimeni esifanelekile njengoba kude eshilo.